What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're doing another Postcard Teardown. Today's Teardown is brought to you by Living Room Toasters. You can move your toaster into the living room. It doesn't matter. All right, today we're looking at a dentist postcard. Let's dive in. All right, so let's look at the headline here. Trusted, comfortable dentistry at your convenience. I hate this headline. It's too confusing. What does that mean? I think it's, it's better to talk about location, just moved, right? You can reinforce the list here and talk about who these folks are. We offer cosmetic and general dentistry. I like this. I like the fact that they're talking. They've got some bullet points here. Monday, we offer Monday through Friday. You can't offer a day. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, they've got a good-looking doctor. It's if you work with a good-looking person, put them on the postcard. Why not? Phone number, website. I like both of that. I also love the offer here. So $49 new patients special. That's really clear, and I would like to see it kind of featured a little bit better because everyone knows you go to the dentist office, at least here in San Francisco, it's a $100 bill. So basically half off that is a good way to think about it. Also, if it includes x-ray and cleaning, that's really nice because that's always extra. And free Invisalign consultation. That's good. There's also an expiration date here, which is good. So overall, B-. Offer's really good. The colors are terrible, right? It's like there's too many contrasting colors here to really understand what's happening. All right, let's look at the back. Oh, sorry, the front. Okay, so the biggest thing is really new year, new you, which is like, what is this thing offering? So it takes you a little bit too long to understand what this thing is. So get your teeth cleaned cheap, or get your teeth cleaned locally. Clean, that's a funny one. Now accepting new patients. Are you ever I think that a better way to phrase this is we'll fill up fast or something, or once we hit X amount of patients, there's no more. So make it a limited thing versus when are you ever not accepting new patients? And I know that there are times where dentists are like, we're full, we can't take anyone more. And I think it's more important to emphasize that feature here. Call today. Love the call to action here. This is a little too small. I like this new patient special, but overall, change the colors, change the headline. So I think for me, this is probably a B-, maybe C+, because the offer's good. They repeat it on both sides. They give you multiple ways to act. The color scheme is just terrible, and the headlines could definitely be improved. Congratulate yourself for learning a little bit more about postcard design.